To those of you who's confused, I'm multilingual. I wish I could speak other languages though, but I don't. My Zulu is very on the verge of exploding because it's not the best that you can find on earth. And we are saying to Adelaide, thank you so much for the roses. Guys, look, someone is coming in. Ka last minute, they are raising tshwara mablomo ngwana ko hae. A shi mablomo. Bona ke re tshwara mablomo ngwana ko hae. Ke re bona fela. Guys, look at that beautifulness. Look at that beautifulness. Like, we are almost bona. We are almost there. Adelaide, we appreciate you, darling. We appreciate you. We see you. Guys, hari yang ko Adelaide mo follow